Look at this. Which is the boy again?
This.
And which one's the girl?
This.
You're so good. What if I told you that was the girl?
Oh,
No?
the boy.
That's the boy.
Then that's the girl.
Then that's the girl. You think that's right? Yeah?
What do you think?
That was neat.
Yeah?
That's neat. Okay.
Jenna.
You know how ballet?
Yeah?
You gotta do ballet.
What's a girl's favorite color? What would a favorite color for a girl be?
The white.
White?
Yeah.
Well,
What's
she's
a-
wearing white.
Jenna, what's a favorite color for a boy?
Black.
Black?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. What are you doing?
What's that?
I don't know.
That's a singer laser.
I don't know.
It's a speaker.
Singing.
It's a speaker. Sound comes out.
That's that.
That do that? Yeah.
That's that.
Yeah? I'm gonna ask her another gendered question. I don't know what to ask her.
What do you think of Jen's haircut?
Oh, Jenna, what's my haircut look like?
The boy.
A boy's haircut?
Uh-huh.
What's your haircut like?
Little.
A little girl?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
High five. Yeah! All right, you can cut it now.